Give me the source. Girl, I got you. So y'all seen that video of the girl that's 19 years old and she made $50,000 in a week? Well, that's the video she's talking about. And I'm about to literally show you how you can do that in 5 steps. Now, I personally didn't make $50,000 in a week, but I made $15,000 in 2 weeks. And I'm gonna need you to drop a comment in the comment section down below saying, I need that if you could use $15,000 in 2 weeks. And for the non-believers, I don't play no games. 14 days. That's my name right there for y'all who know me. And look at the dates. Now, like I said before, this business has a 94% profit margin. That's the best profit margin you could get. Not 100% for some of y'all over there tussling for y'all life in my comment section. How does it have a 94% profit margin? First of all, it doesn't cost you anything to make. So you ain't spend no money. The only thing that you have to pay for, keep in mind, I said have to, is a stand store. And a stand store is like $30 a month. Will you come off of $30 a month to make $15,000 in 2 weeks? Say I will in the comment section if you're ready for these steps. Step number 1 is going to be create you a digital product. Easy peasy. This is something that's going to be emailed directly to your customer upon purchase. So there's really no heavy lifting. What is a digital product? I see some of y'all in my comments asking. Planners, ebooks, online courses. This could even be a service. If you do credit repair and you book somebody for a one-on-one, that's digital too. If you make beats, that's a digital product. Digital art, stock photos. If you take photos, you could literally sell your photos to people and let them use it on their websites or for whatever they want to use them for. One of my students even made a study guide and made $300 the first day selling a study guide. The point of this is to create a product that is going to solve a problem. Y'all need to understand it's always about the customer. In real life, it's never about you. When you put it in your mind that it's about the customer and not about you, then you're going to make money. You're going to get what you want by giving them what they want. Remember, Araya told you that. Now, again, when I say that your digital product has to solve a problem, that don't mean it have to end world hunger or bring world peace. It literally just has to solve a problem. Like, for instance, the study guide solves a problem. I have a girls trip ebook. How does a girls trip ebook solve a problem? The girlies don't want to hit up Google and be looking for what to do on my girls trip in Miami. So obviously my ebook solves that problem for them. It tells them a list of things that they can do on their trip, from hitting up the yacht, going to the club, going to culinary classes, going to the spa or whatever. It breaks it down for them so they don't have to go to Google or just try to figure it out or be bored as hell on their girls trip. You can sell workbooks to teachers for 4th grade students. It don't matter. Like, think about it. Fix a problem or answer a question that people have. How do I get a 700 credit score in 90 days? Solve the problem and get the bag. They're going to purchase it. So now that we have figured out all of the products we can make, step number 2 is going to be, let's make a product. And yes, I'm about to show you how. Now I'm going to run over to my good Uncle Al and let him create me some digital products. And if you don't know who Uncle Al is, that's ChatGPT. But if you know, you know. And if you don't, you don't. Only my students really know why we call him Uncle Al. That's a shh. You got to join the squad to really understand. As a matter of fact, if anybody watching this video is a part of the squad, I'm going to need y'all to type squad in the comment sections down below. So the first thing I'm going to do is I teach cosmetology. Please create a ebook on this topic. And before you know it, boom, 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 Uncle Al is going to get you all the way together every single time. Chapter by chapter, step by step on this ebook. Title and everything. The Art and Science of Cosmetology. Chapter 1. Chapter 2. Chapter 3. Every single chapter. He's going to get you together every single time. Like I said, don't play with Uncle Al. Now, based on the info we got in our ebook, create a study guide. And again, Uncle Al is going to get you together every single time. Don't play with him. I keep trying to tell y'all. Look at that. Study guide. Cosmetology Essentials. A comprehensive study guide. Woo! Ooh. And you can do this with literally any topic, anything. I don't care if you're a surgeon. I don't care if you're teaching 4th grade, 5th grade, 6th grade, kindergarten. Now, in less than 60 seconds, I just created 2 products in the same niche. An ebook on cosmetology and a study guide for those individuals who want to learn how to do hair and need help studying the material. Step number 3 is going to be go over to Canva, find you an ebook template, and copy and paste. This is the easiest part of it. Yes, you can do this from a phone, an iPad, a tablet, but it is much easier on a laptop. I'm about to show you. Go over to Canva, literally just type ebook in the top search, and they're going to pull up all of these ebook templates for you. Literally. Choose any one you want. Obviously, you can edit them. I'm just going to go with anything, right? We just going to go with anything. Boom. Customize this template. Now, as you can see, these photos move. You can change it out for whatever you want it to be. Use Canva photos. Type in study guide. I could use this. I could use this. Anything I want to use. Boom. Right? And literally, y'all, it's going to be copy and paste. Copy and paste. Like, literally. Boom. The art and science of cosmetology. Add a page. Go back to ChatGPT. Literally copy. And bring it over and paste. Like, for real. But obviously, you're going to copy the whole thing. I just literally copied a piece of it just to show y'all how easy it is. Add a page, add a page, add a page, and keep doing that until you're done. Now, for those of y'all arguing in my comment section about plagiarism, when I say that you can use ChatGPT and avoid plagiarism, you can. Literally, watch this part. This is very important. So I am going to copy chapter 1, right? And I am going to tell ChatGPT, I am a African American millennial woman, write, and then I'm going to paste, write chapter 1 in my voice. Write it in my voice. And boom. ChatGPT is not only going to write this, but it's going to write it not using any plagiaristic copies from anyone's book. It's going to write it in what it perceives the voice of an African American woman to sound like. Hey, beautiful people, start your journey into the world of cosmetology. We are kicking things off with the basics, but trust, there's nothing basic about understanding the wonders. Now, you tell me where the plagiarism at. You're not going to find that online just like that nowhere. So step number 4 is going to be go to Stan Store, STAN.STORE. Upload your digital product to Stan Store. Step number 5 is going to be collect that bag. Start marketing your product and collect that coin. It's literally that simple. Now, if this information was gold to you, I'm going to need you to type golden in the comment section down below. If you want to learn more, you could DM me or join me on live. Now, let's get to the goal. Bye.